grappled.
To roll it on?
Well, I just pick it up and set it on there. Here, I'm going to get it back. Roll it on.
Yeah.
This is his first log on the sawmill.
I can't drop it too far. It's got to get on the bed.
What's going to get on the bed?
Now we're over.
Alright. Friction this in to where to keep it right there?
Yep.
Does that have to be super tight or just tight enough to hold?
Yeah, it needs to be pretty tight.
Alright, that's as far as it'll go right there.
Back.
First log on the sawmill.
It's hard to say how thick you can crank that.
Well, I'm just kind of shaving off the top right now.
Right.
So you can get the slabs off of it.
Yeah. Throttle it up or just throttle
No,
it
it
up?
throttles itself up. I just see if that's another one. Oh, I know, but they're expensive as crap.
I start to say, I'm sure they're proud of it. That's about right to me.
Huh?
That's about right.
Yep. That's right. of that?
Right.
what you've done.
First log on the mill, and it's cutting through right off the bat, so I don't have to do much adjusting. But we're going to keep running some logs.
Okay.
10 5/8 across, about 9 1/2.
So this is his new thing that he's putting on the farm. He has got the, it's a Woodmizer LX25. It's got a color motor on it. Built right here in the USA. We went and picked it up last week. Took 2 days to assemble. That this is not a portable. This is one that will be stationary. I believe it can cut up to a 16-inch wide. And I know right now he could cut 12 foot, I believe, long. And it'll go all the way down to a 1/2 inch thick board. 1/2 and 1/8 inch boards. Now this one, the rails come in 3-foot sections. And we can actually add more rails to cut longer logs. So we can actually add the rails, or add it together with these little joins right here. And if he wanted to go to longer logs, all we need to do is get more rails, and it comes in 3 foot, so another 3 foot, 6 foot, 9 foot, whatever he'd want to add. So we have found on the farm, we do a lot of things that you need rough cut lumber, such as building barns, repairing fences, pretty much, I mean, just about everything you can use with rough cut lumber. A lot of decorative things. The outhouses that we build are very decorative. Even our whole house is built with rough cut lumber or sawmill lumber. So it's pretty neat, pretty neat. This is going to come in handy for everything we need. And also we can cut timber for other people. People around here that have wood fences, horse fences, barn repair, sheds, you name it. Everyone can use it. So we'll be able to have a lot of use for it. So we'll be able to help everybody. So we're just showing you what we're adding to the farm. And he's got a little bit of a learning curve, but that's okay. He will figure it out before the end of the day. Well, as always, remember, we love you. God loves you. Y'all have a blessed day.
Alright, this was off our first log that we put on the mill. We got 15 2x4 by 12 foot, a 2x10 by 12 foot, and there's the slabs we got off of it. And let me measure the log, see how big the log was.
You had a corner of it?
That was a 12.5 inch log.
So off of a 12.5 inch log, you got 15, is that 15 or 16?
15 2x4.
15 2x4s, a 2
by 10
by 10 by 12, and then the slabs, which actually is great for campfire wood because the slabs is what they use to cut off to make the log square. So there's 4 slabs here, and you could actually, there's good wood there for campfires, or even if you want to do some kind of a cute project, whatever. But that's just off of one. Now, if you can imagine, how much is a 2x4 by 12? How much are they at the store?
Oh, I don't know what a 2x4 by 12. It's probably 12, 13 bucks at the store. Each
So
one.
just one of those 2x4x12s is about $12, $13. And if you had to go to a regular hardware store, and a 2x10x12 is probably $25, $30. So just off of that right there, that's about $100 worth of wood that we're saving. Yeah, from where we don't have to go to the hardware store.
Alright, I'm going to blow it in.
Now he's just going to do a clean here, using the blower just to... Machine, keeping it cleaned and maintained like it should. So, well, this is his newest project. It's going to be a project for long term. It's something that is always going to be handy, and it's going to help us make money here on the farm. Well, as always, remember, we love you. God loves you. Y'all have a blessed day.